Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate how to clone views using the Clone Views command in BIMLOGIQ Copilot. Let's start by choosing which views to clone. You can select one or multiple views from the list. Enable Clone with Detailings to include annotation and detailing elements such as dimensions, tags, and text notes in the new views. Now let's click Run button. BIMLOGIQ Copilot creates cloned views instantly, maintaining their original properties and details. Here we can see our cloned plan view along with all its dependent views. Now let's clone another view along with all its dependencies. We are going to use the plan view named R2 to clone. This time, we are going to uncheck the Clone with Detailings option to see the difference. Let's review the result. Here, our plan view is cloned with all its dependents. Since we unchecked the Clone with Detailings option, detailing elements like dimensions, tags, and text notes are not included in the view. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and happy designing with BIMLOGIQ.